I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We have more than 16,000 absolutely free videos for you on our channel. Feel free to learn from them and provide your suggestions for new questions. In this video, we are discussing a question based on tangents and normals, very important part of calculus. The question is from one of our students. It is one of the three which we are going to discuss one by one. These are the three questions for you. You can always pause the video, answer these questions, and then look into my suggestions. In case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on the address given, globalmathinstitute at gmail.com. You can also visit our website for latest developments. Now let's look into the solution of the problem, which is find the point on the curve y equals to x squared plus 4x plus 1, where the gradient of the tangent equals to the y coordinate of the curve. So slightly difficult to understand, but let's try to understand what are we trying to do. So we're looking at two things here. One is the gradient to the curve, which is given to us as y equals to x squared plus 4x plus 1, and the gradient basically is the derivative. So the derivative using power rules can be written as 2x plus 4. Now we want this gradient to be equal to y coordinate of the curve, right? So what is the y coordinate of the curve? That is the y coordinate of the curve, right? So basically we are saying that this gradient, which is y prime, should be equal to y, correct? So that gives you an equation that 2x plus 4 should be equal to x squared plus 4x plus 1. Is that clear to you? Perfect. So that is what it means. And now it is pretty simple. You have a quadratic equation to solve. Let's do it. So bringing all the terms to one side, we can say 0 equals to x squared plus 4x plus 1 minus 2x minus 4, and that gives you x squared plus 2x minus 3. This can be factored. Minus 3 is the product, plus 2 is the sum, and therefore it could be x plus 3 times x minus 1. Correct. Now, this quadratic equation provides two solutions. One is x equals to minus 3, and the other one is x equals to 1. You get the idea. So we get 2 points. Well, let's find the y values of these, right? So y value same as the derivative, right? So let's plug in at minus 3, right? So 2 times minus 3 plus 4 gives you minus 6 plus 4, which is minus 2. So one of the point is minus 3 minus 2, correct? Let's call this point A, and the other point will be the derivative at 1, right? So which is 2 times 1 plus 4, which is 6, correct? So the other point will be at 1, we have 6, correct? So these are the 2 points which should uh, help us solve the question. You get the whole idea, right? You will also verify that if you substitute 1 here, what do you get? Do you get 6, right? Substitute and check. So I like you to actually substitute and check the solution, right? So sub in y and then check the solution, correct? But I hope with this you have understood the whole concept. So once again, if you have to solve such a question, what you need to do is find the derivative, right? And equate it to y value. That is what is required. And that gives you a quadratic equation, solve and check solution. Is that clear to you? So I hope that helps, right? Feel free to write your comments, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, be great. In case you want to learn from me directly, you can send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. In our next video, you could now see the solution of the second question out of the set of three. I hope it makes sense. Thank you and all the best.